So, we are going to look at a little point of grammar, but nothing too scary. We're going to look at how to say to in French and sometimes at. When you're describing where you're going or where you're staying, for example, in English you would say, I'm going to the church. Or you would say, I am staying at the bakery. Lucky duck. Now, that to and at in English doesn't vary, doesn't change, depending on the word that comes after it, but in French, it does. So let's have a look at what happens. Je vais, I go. So we want to say that we are going to the stadium. We say je vais au stade. So au in that sentence means to. I go to the stadium, or it could also mean I am going to the stadium. Je vais au parc. I'm going to the park. Je vais. So that is, can you say the train station in French? Let's see. We say je vais à la gare. Now, I'm still saying I'm going to the train station. As I was saying, I'm going to the stadium, but now to is not au anymore. It's à la. It's changed. And if I want to go to the post office or le bureau de poste or la poste, we say je vais à la poste. So once again, we're using à la. Je vais à l'église. So now it's a, L apostrophe. Je vais à l'hôpital. Now, what's the commonality between l'église et l'hôpital? The thing they have in common is that they both start with a vowel sound. Et, O. The H is completely silent. And you don't hear it at all, so it doesn't matter. Je vais à l'église, je vais à l'hôpital. Je vais. So we have a choice of those three. These are the three that we've seen so far. Au, à la, ou à L apostrophe. À l'église. Je vais. So, église was in the previous slide, so that was pretty easy. But restaurant wasn't. So, which one are we going to be using? Well, if you look at your list of words, and if you learn the word restaurant in French, and you've learned the little word that goes in front of it that means le, you would know that restaurant is actually a male word. So we're going to say, tu vas au restaurant. Number 3, il va boulangerie. Now, is it le boulangerie ou la boulangerie? You probably remember it is la boulangerie. Therefore, il va à la boulangerie. Nous allons, now, cinéma, is it le cinéma ou la cinéma? If you've learned your list of words, you would know it is le cinéma. Therefore, we're going to say nous allons au cinéma. And that's the end of that little lesson. There will be some supplementary material on Education Perfect to help you reinforce that rule. Au revoir!